part 2 of selecting the right gear oil and viscosity for slow speed gears and high speed gears. Listen till the end, there's a lot of good information. So high speed gears normally require a lower viscosity gear oil because at higher speeds those rotating gears pull oil into the contact zone and create what we call hydrodynamic lubrication. Hydrodynamic lubrication occurs when a full film of oil separates the moving metal surfaces. The gears are essentially riding on that oil film instead of making direct metal-to-metal contact. And because high-speed gears generate that oil film more easily, a lower viscosity oil can provide proper separation, while it also allows flowing faster, carrying heat away and reducing the internal drag. Using an oil that is too thick in a high-speed box can cause excessive churning, higher temperatures, energy loss, foaming, and poor circulation to bearings and other critical components. The low-speed gears operate under different conditions. At slower speeds, the gears may not move fast enough to develop and maintain a full hydrodynamic oil film. That means the gearbox is more likely to operate in boundary lubrication, especially under heavy loads, during startup, or when the direction of those gears changes. Boundary lubrication occurs when the oil film becomes very thin and some of the microscopic tie on the metal surfaces, they can come close to contacting each other. And under those conditions, the lubricant's viscosity and extreme pressure additives become especially important. A higher viscosity gear oil helps form a thicker, stronger lubricating film. Extreme pressure and anti-wear additives provide additional protection against scoring, pitting, galling, and metal-to-metal contact when a full oil film cannot be maintained. A very simple way to remember this is high-speed gears are more likely to operate under hydrodynamic lubrication where flow, cooling, and low resistance are important. The low-speed, heavily loaded gears are more likely to experience boundary lubrication where film strength and extreme pressure protection are critical. But gear speed's only one part of the decision. There's load, temperature, gearbox design, and the manufacturer's viscosity recommendation must always be considered. The correct gear oil is not simply the thickest oil available, it's the oil that provides the proper balance, film thickness, circulation, cooling, and protection for the application. If you want to know more about selecting the proper viscosity for your application, contact Hubert Glass Oil at glassoil.com. I'm Kevin. Stay tuned for part 3 of what can happen if you use the wrong viscosity in your gearbox. Like and share the video. Look forward to your comments.